So as always, go ahead and download the code for this week. It's under week 10 folder. It's actually the same project as last week, so it's called machine learning, machine_learning in the week 10 folder. However, I've added a couple of, or at least a few new modules to it, one of which, if you open the SRC folder once you download it, is called plot_rbm_logistic_classification.py. So this module applies what's called a Boltzmann machine, or restricted Boltzmann machine model. It is a kind of simple neural network model, effectively, that allows us to apply some deep learning or deep learning-like approach to some specific data that we're trying to classify. Okay, so it's a form of classification technique that will use imagery as the primary data set. So this week's problem is basically we're going to have some images that we create artificially, and then we're going to scan over the image and apply a neural network model with multiple layers that will then look at the image and try to classify the numbers. In this case, the image shows different numbers that are shown. So the numbers will effectively be images rather than digits. And the objective is to determine what digits, so 0 through 9, are shown in the images that show 0 through 9 in black and white imagery. Okay, so we're trying to teach the machine effectively to read a number from an image. And that's basically this week's problem for this kind of restricted Boltzmann machine problem. So restricted Boltzmann machine are a type of Boltzmann machine approach. That basically means you have a kind of neural network approach where you have layers, nodes that are the Boltzmann machines that connect to other nodes. These connections are made through different layers. You have a hidden layer, you have a parent layer basically that allows these connections to be made. So where each transformation is applied through different kinds of sets of weights. And different kinds of modes of reshaping the data in different layers so that you eventually get an output that may allow you to do some kind of prediction effectively. So this is what we'll be doing for today's first example, this restricted Boltzmann machine example.